Welcome back to Bite-Size Future, where we break down the latest innovations in AI and technology into simple, practical insights. Today, we're taking a deep dive into some of the best AI tools that can help explain, summarize, and truly make sense of scientific research papers. These tools vary in how they work. Some focus on simplifying complex language, others on mapping citations, and others on answering your questions directly. By the end of this, you'll know which tool fits your needs best, whether you're a student, a researcher, or simply curious about the world of science. Let's get started. We'll begin with ChatPDF, which turns dense academic papers into interactive conversations. In terms of accuracy, it stays anchored to the uploaded document, so its responses are usually grounded in the text. Its strength is simplification, as it can break down technical terms into plain English when prompted. While it doesn't specialize in citations, it can point you back to sections of the paper for context. Its interactivity is its biggest advantage. You can have a back-and-forth discussion with the paper itself. The tool is generalist, handling all types of PDFs, not just academic papers. It's also very easy to use. Just upload and chat. The main trade-offs come in privacy, since uploading sensitive or unpublished work may pose risks and cost, as the free tier has limitations on document size and length. Integration into academic workflows is basic, but for quick exploration and clarity, it's one of the best starting points. Moving on, Semantic Scholar's TLDR feature provides something quite different: concise, one-sentence summaries of papers. In terms of accuracy, it's highly reliable because it's trained specifically on scientific papers, and it grounds its outputs in published research. Simplification is direct. It condenses the objective and results into a line, making it great for skimming large volumes of literature. However, interactivity is non-existent. It's purely a static summary. What makes it shine is citation handling. Because it's integrated into the Semantic Scholar platform, it connects you directly to references and related works. It's especially strong in domains like computer science, medicine, and biology. Ease of use is excellent, as it's integrated into a free online platform, and privacy isn't much of a concern since you're not uploading content, only browsing existing work. Integration with workflows is possible through citation exports, making it a reliable scanning tool. For those who prefer structured overviews, SciSummary offers a middle ground. Its accuracy depends on the uploaded text, but it's strong at highlighting essential sections of a paper. Unlike TLDRs, it delivers simplification in a more structured way, breaking research into abstract, methods, results, and conclusions. While it doesn't excel at citation handling, it does help users focus on the parts that matter most. Interactivity is limited. You get summaries, not conversations, but the tool's strength lies in its coverage of scientific writing specifically. It's easy to use, with simple upload functionality, but again, privacy can be a concern for unpublished documents. Cost may also be a limitation, with advanced features requiring payment. It integrates modestly with research workflows, serving more as a speed reading tool than a reference manager. When it comes to breaking down jargon, Explain Paper is one of the most helpful tools. Its accuracy is solid since it explains content directly from the text, avoiding major hallucinations. It focuses heavily on simplification, letting you highlight confusing sections and instantly receive plain language explanations. While it doesn't provide citation support, it compensates with clarity. It's somewhat interactive, though not as dynamic as ChatPDF. It allows targeted queries, but doesn't provide a full dialogue. It covers most academic writing and is very easy to use with a clean interface. Like others, privacy is a concern when uploading sensitive material, and cost is a limitation for heavy users since the free version only offers a few uses. Integration into academic workflows is minimal, but as a learning aid, it's excellent. Next up, NotebookLM, Google's AI note-taking and synthesis tool. In terms of accuracy, it benefits from Google's ecosystem and is able to process long and varied documents. Its simplification abilities are flexible. You can ask for plain explanations or deeper insights, depending on your need. While citation handling isn't its strong suit, it excels in synthesis, especially when working with multiple documents at once. Interactivity is another major strength, letting you ask questions across an entire set of uploaded sources. It's a generalist tool covering not just research papers, but all sorts of content, which makes it versatile. Privacy is reasonably strong given Google's infrastructure, though it remains a cloud-based tool. Cost is currently low, with Google experimenting in open beta stages. Its integration with Google Docs and Drive makes it seamless for those already in that ecosystem. Shifting toward tools designed for researchers, Iris.ai emphasizes coverage and contextual features. Its accuracy is fairly strong, given its scientific focus, and it handles simplification while keeping technical depth for professional use. One of its strengths is citation handling, since it maps relevant literature and helps you see how papers interconnect. While not as interactive as conversational tools, its contextual mapping makes it invaluable for literature reviews. Ease of use is moderate. It requires a bit of learning, but it rewards that effort with powerful features. Privacy and cost depend on the plan, as advanced academic functions come at a premium. Workflow integration is solid, making it one of the most researcher-focused tools. If you prefer quick answers tied to reliable sources, Perplexity strikes a balance. Its accuracy is generally strong, since it provides citation-backed responses, though quality depends on the sources it retrieves. Its simplification is flexible, explaining content in either plain or technical terms based on your prompt. Citation handling is a highlight, as it always provides source links, making verification easy. Its interactivity is strong, allowing iterative queries and refinements. Coverage is broad, not limited to scientific papers, making it useful beyond academia. Ease of use is excellent, and privacy considerations are similar to other online search tools. It offers both free and premium tiers, and while workflow integration isn't deep, the citations make it easy to reference. Storm, developed at Stanford, is a more structured tool. Its accuracy is solid, designed for academic applications, and it provides summarization in an organized way. Unlike Explain Paper or ChatPDF, it doesn't just explain, it helps you create outlines and approach topics from multiple perspectives. Simplification is balanced, neither too shallow nor overly technical. While it doesn't emphasize citations, it excels in contextual analysis, framing information in a broader academic light. Interactivity is guided rather than free-form. Accessibility is lower, as it's still more of a research project than a mainstream app, and integration is best for academic users looking for structured learning aids. For exploring the bigger picture, ResearchRabbit is the go-to tool. Its accuracy is tied to showing actual citation networks, so it's highly dependable. Unlike most tools here, it doesn't simplify text, but instead enhances contextual understanding, showing how papers relate across a field. Citation handling is excellent. It's central to the tool's design. Interactivity comes through exploration rather than Q&A, letting users map and follow literature connections. Ease of use is good, and privacy is less of a concern since you're not uploading documents. Best of all, it's free, which makes it attractive for academic users. Workflow integration is strong for literature exploration, though weaker for direct explanation of text. Finally, Scite.ai provides perhaps the most robust citation handling of all these tools. Its accuracy is anchored in showing how other researchers cite a paper, whether they support, contrast, or simply reference it. Simplification is less of a focus, as it's built for advanced academic use. But the insights into credibility and reliability are unmatched. Interactivity is limited to searches, but coverage across scientific domains is excellent. Ease of use is straightforward, and privacy isn't much of a concern since it deals with published works. Like Iris.ai, advanced features come with subscription costs. Its integration into academic workflows is strong, especially for building literature reviews with credibility assessments. When we put these tools together, it becomes clear that AI supports scientific research in different ways. Some tools, like ChatPDF, Explain Paper, and SciSummary, focus on simplifying text for understanding. Others, like Semantic Scholar TLDR, Scite.ai, and ResearchRabbit, focus on context and credibility. Meanwhile, NotebookLM, Iris.ai, Perplexity, and Storm provide synthesis and exploration. The tool you choose really depends on your need: clarity, context, or deeper analysis. That wraps up today's deep dive on Bite-Sized Future. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how AI is transforming the way we learn, research, and innovate. Until next time, keep exploring the future one bite at a time.